Hey, thank you, 2018 training group. I was hoping that you could give me some insights, and anybody else who's listening to this or watching this, some insights as to for whom is this training, what did you enjoy about this, so people can get a little bit of a feel what it's like to be part of the Solutions Academy ACTP accredited coach training program that happens 100% live, engaging, and online. So whoever wants to share something, I'm very, very glad for you to do that. Whoever wants to start, starts.
I'll start. I was just delighted to be invited to participate in this program, and yet I was a bit trepidatious about the idea of 4 hours online. I'm in Singapore, and it was like 7 to 11 or 8 to midnight, and 4 hours online, is that possible? It only took the first session to disabuse me of my fears because it was so engaging. It was, there were the breakout rooms, there was the group learning room, and the collaboration and capturing it all in the PowerPoint, and then getting that resource that we co-created with, your leadership, that has been just full of insight and help in my own work as a coach and in corporate work and in community work. Got all sorts of ideas just to help me personally in the one-on-one coaching, but also in the group work that I've done in team coaching. So it's just been a rich and wonderful year, and thank you to every participant for the way you've made it better for me.
I totally agree on what Dave just said. For me, it was a very new experience to go into a training which is delivered like 100% online. I was a little bit like interested in the process. So how would that look like to deliver an online training, and how would that work? And I was really amazed by the level of relationship that has built over the sessions with this group, which I really feel totally connected to everybody out there, wherever you are, either it's in Singapore or Germany around the corner, or the UK, or it's Sweden. It's really amazing, and having such a great energy and fun working online with people that are spread all over the world. And it gave me new insights into techniques, and also a great exchange with so many professionals with different viewpoints and so on. And so I'm really thankful for being part of that group in this year, and I'm hoping to have that connection ongoing while we go forward into our future practice.
I'd just like to echo Joachim's view of the online session. I mean, my initial concern before I did the program was how effective can online training be? But actually, when you're working through Zoom, it's as though you're face to face. So it's as effective, I would say, as working physically. So it's been phenomenal from that experience. So thank you, Kirsten, for that highly interactive and engaging solution-focused coach training program. And it's been a pleasure working with the whole group over the last year. A group of globally distributed, diverse individuals, all passionate about professional and personal development. So thank you all.
Cool, thank you. Susan, yes.
I agree with Matt and with Joachim with everything about the technique stuff and so on. And if I think about the content and what insights it may have brought to me, it has been very helpful in thinking about what assumptions do I bring into coaching. Because the coaching relationship is a special one. And some of the assumptions are the same if I coach one-to-one or on the organizational level. And that's something we have really dig deep into, and that's helpful. And another really special moment for me in this have been the coaching in conflict situations. And in that case, it was amazing to see your live demo, Kirsten, and also to try it out in the breakout rooms, how it really worked. And one thing I learned is about the externalization of the conflict to make it smoother. And that was just two things that comes up now. So thank you. Great training.
Mm.
So my situation coming to this was that I've been coaching for 25 years. I've been training coaches for about 12 years. And so basically I just came to this in order to get a qualification, in order to get an ICF certification, which I didn't have before. And well, I've certainly got all I need for that, but a whole lot more. I've learned so much. First of all, you know, in terms of one-to-one coaching, it's really honed my practice, and I've learned whole new ways of looking at that. But then, especially for me, moving on to the organizational coaching and team coaching, organizational development, conflict, you know, was something that I've always been scared of dealing with, whereas now I look forward to it. And I can really see how I can really make a difference in that way as well as all the other ways I've worked before. So it's been a tremendous experience. And, you know, I've also, you know, I've been leading online training myself for 6 years. And, you know, I really take my hat off to the way you do it, Kirsten. You know, it's fantastic the way that you really engage everyone. You really bring everyone in. You really make it a lovely, enjoyable experience of being online together, you know, and you're completely unfazed. You know, it might be someone's dialing in from a car while they're driving to work, but, you know, still you can, you make the whole experience fun. You bring them in, you make it good for everybody else. And yeah, I mean, the participants you attract, that also is something, you know, tremendous, that such lovely people from all over the world, you know, who I really want to stay connected with. People who bring lots of different angles, different perspectives on things, really interested, engaged in the training. And yeah, lots of things that different people share. And there's something, I mean, one of the things that came out of this for me that I certainly wasn't expecting was I ended up with some paid work in Bali as a result of connecting with people on this training course. So, you know, thank you for that facilitation, and, you know, hey, thank you, Dave and Debbie, for making that happen as well.
Well, we can't promise it to everyone. Of course, we can't promise everyone work in Bali. That's okay. Good. I don't know, Luba, do you want to add anything? Yes, go ahead.
Sure. Well, for me, the participation in the course gave lots of tools, practice in coaching, and I think most importantly, a lot of ideas and different perspectives on my professional development. I also really appreciate the way the course was facilitated. It was really done in a professional manner. And yeah, I would just agree with everyone else. The group was amazing in this course and in the previous course that I've also done. It's really fun and also very professional and interesting group of people. And every 2 weeks, I just was looking forward to our calls. And yeah, I would just do it again. Yeah, if I had to decide.
Thank you, Luba. So I guess from what everybody said, if you are an interesting person, if you are a nice person, if you are interested and passionate about development and coaching, if you are in a place that is far away and you can't go to a face-to-face coaching, if you are, let's say, just about to give a baby and don't know how you can get yourself to a coaching training, if you are in Riyadh or in South America or anywhere else and you love meeting lovely people like these, please join us at the www.solutionsacademy.com and explore the coach trainings. Would be lovely to talk to you and would be lovely to have you in our community. Thank you very much, everybody, for giving me the testimonials and inviting other people in. Thank you. So